Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring WhatsApp is up to date and your phone is unlocked. Once done, open the app. Make sure you're on the main chat screen so settings are accessible. If you use multiple accounts, pick the one you want to change now. This prevents confusion when you switch themes. Now tap the three-dot menu in the top right to reveal more options. This is the gateway to theme controls and the place to begin changing visual settings. From the menu, tap Settings and then choose Chats. Once there, locate Theme. You'll see options like Light, Dark, and System Default. Select Dark to force the darker palette. If System Default is chosen, WhatsApp follows your phone's system theme, so use that if you prefer automatic switching. Make sure to preview the change. Preview shows message bubbles, backgrounds, and contact headers so you can confirm readability and contrast before applying the theme globally. Tap Dark and confirm the change. WhatsApp immediately switches to the dark palette. If the app doesn't update, close it fully and reopen, or reboot your phone to clear temporary glitches. Make sure your system theme isn't overriding app settings if you chose System Default. Go to Device Display Settings to verify. If problems persist, update or reinstall WhatsApp and ensure permissions are intact. That usually resolves persistent theme or display issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.